The Slimline is a 15mm low threshold for easy access that prevents rain and drafts from entering the property underneath the door. The low design provides easy access for children's buggies and wheelchair users. You will need a pencil, a drill, gloves, white spirit, sandpaper, a tape measure, a hacksaw, pliers, sealant, bradawl, screwdriver, and a pair of scissors. Step 1. Preparation. Before starting, remove any existing threshold. Make sure all surfaces upon which the product is to be used are clean and free from dust, dirt, and grease. We recommend cleaning with white spirit. Make sure the surface is completely dry before fitting. Step 2. Measure up. With the door open, measure the inside of the rebate as shown. Next, measure the distance between the door stops. With the door closed, measure the distance between the doorstop and door face. Finally, measure the gap underneath the door. The Slimline Threshold seals gaps from between 11mm to 15mm. Step 3. Cut to size. Ensuring you keep the screw holes central, use your first measurement from between the rebate to find the desired width of the threshold. Turn the threshold upside down and place a mark. Slide the seals out of the way before cutting to size using a hacksaw. Using your measurement from between the doorstops, create a notch to fit around the frame using a hacksaw. Cut seals to size using scissors. Step 4. Installation. Place the sill into position and check the fit by opening and closing the door. Mark the screw holes using a marker or pencil. Before fitting, it is advisable to make small pilot holes with a bradawl to facilitate easy entry of the screws. Drill the holes using a 2mm drill bit. Wipe the surface again to remove any dust. On the threshold, apply a waterproof clear silicone adhesive to the grooves on the underside of the threshold, as well as around the screw holes and down each side. Apply silicone to the corner of the frame, down the front edge of the threshold and into the screw holes. Place the threshold into position. Apply a small amount of silicone to the screw holes before screwing the threshold into position. Consider fitting a matching around door seal or rain deflector.